There is a difference between product management and Scrum, and they can work really well together, but I want to kind of iron out some kind of misunderstandings around this area. Starting off with the accountabilities in Scrum you have product owner, who actually owns the product, a real product owner, not a proxy, not a scribe, not a business representative, someone who actually has the budget, and someone who might be even the CEO of the product. That type of product owner in Scrum would be on a par with product leader in product management and a multi-team product. The product owner owns the product. There's a lot of things that a real product owner does that go totally beyond Scrum, similarly to the way Scrum does not tell developers how to do their work. Developer in Scrum means people doing the work regardless of domain. Equally, Scrum does not tell product owners how to do product management. It's understood that there's another body of knowledge in that regard. There is the possibility that you could have a product manager operating per team, and a product manager in each team actually having focus on looking at the customer analytics, looking at what's really going on, where are customers dropping out, meeting customers, meeting end users, meeting people in other departments, other functions, understanding their lingo, talking in their lingo, really understanding how the organization operates, how our customers and end users operate, and using a discover to deliver approach where we run some experiments and we meet some customers to discover which ideas we should really focus on, which ideas we shouldn't even think about building. So product management and Scrum together essentially has a discover to deliver approach, but there are some conflicts, I guess, or tension might be a better word, between product management and Scrum. First of all, in Scrum, in the set of developers that you have in a Scrum team, these people work in a cross-functional, self-managing team. In a Scrum team, developers do the work, regardless of domain. There's a little bit of tension between product management and Scrum. In product management, when the product management involves Scrum teams, there's an expectation from product management people that there would be a tech lead, a technical lead, a design lead, and the product manager. The product manager worrying about the business viability risk, the value risk. The tech lead worried about the feasibility risk, and the design lead worried about the usability risk, if you like. And that's a nice dynamic trio, and Scrum doesn't prevent you from having people like that operating within a Scrum team. If the team decides to operate like that in a self-managing way, that's absolutely fine. But Scrum doesn't have any roles. It just has an accountability of developer, another one of product owner, another one of Scrum Master. And so this notion of tech lead, design lead, product manager doesn't exist in Scrum. This is where a little bit of tension exists, but I don't see it as being insurmountable. I think if a team can have those skills on the team, I think that's sensible. Having technical people on the team who understand how to do the work and whether it's technically possible, having a person who's on point maybe in user experience design in terms of have we found the right product or have we got the right experience for the customer, and a product manager looking at customer analytics, meeting customers, end users, understanding how the organization works. I think that's a wonderful set of skills that would be needed on a Scrum team. And there's just a little bit of tension there between product management and Scrum, but I think it's fine. It's something that can be managed. That said, there is a lot of confusion between product owner and product manager. In a multi-team product, there could be a product manager per team, but there would not be a product owner per team. I think where a lot of the misunderstandings arise is from these, what I call fake product owners. Team product owners for me are fake product owners because in Scrum there's only one product owner. In a multi-team situation, there's one product owner, and in product management, that person would be closest to product lead in the product management world. That said, a product lead would do lots of things that maybe a product owner doesn't do. So it's almost like a Venn diagram of responsibilities. We're going to get into that in the next episode.